Most people only use a few buttons on their AC remote, but there are several hidden features that can make your AC smarter, quieter, and more efficient. In this video, we'll go through the advanced functions of a Gree AC remote that many people either ignore or don't fully understand. If you haven't watched the basic settings guide yet, check that out first for a complete understanding. Let's start with one of the most useful features, I Feel. This feature uses a sensor inside the remote to detect the temperature around you instead of the indoor unit. To activate it, press the I Feel button, keep the remote near you, and make sure it's pointing toward the indoor unit with a clear line of sight. Otherwise, it may not work reliably. This helps maintain more accurate comfort exactly where you're sitting. Next is Wi-Fi control, available in some models. This allows you to control your AC using the Gree Plus app on your smartphone. To activate pairing, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for about 10 seconds until the unit beeps and the Wi-Fi icon appears. If your remote doesn't have a Wi-Fi button, press the mode and turbo buttons together. Then open the app, enter your Wi-Fi password, search for the AC, and connect it. Make sure you're using a 2.4 GHz network for proper connection. Now let's talk about the X-Fan function. After you turn off the AC, the indoor fan continues running for a few minutes to dry moisture inside. This helps prevent mold, bad smell, and improves long-term performance, especially in humid conditions. Some remotes also include Health and Scavenging functions. Press the button to cycle through modes. The Health function uses an ionizer to help remove dust and bacteria, usually shown with a tree icon. The Scavenging function brings in fresh air and pushes stale air out, shown by a home icon with in and out arrows. This is useful for improving air quality and removing odors quickly. However, this feature is not available in most wall-mounted split AC units. In some models, you'll find an Auto Clean function. To activate it, turn off the AC, then press the mode and fan buttons together for 5 seconds. The unit will cool and heat internally to clean itself. Make sure the room is ventilated while this runs. There's also an energy-saving feature in cool mode. This adjusts the temperature automatically to reduce power consumption during long usage. To enable Eco mode, press the temp and clock buttons together for 5 seconds. Keep in mind, you won't be able to adjust temperature, fan speed, or activate turbo. If you try to activate sleep mode, Eco mode will turn off automatically. Some models also include an 8 degrees Celsius heating feature, also called vacation mode. This keeps the room from getting too cold and protects from freezing during snowfall in winter. It can be activated using the same temp and clock button combination. Another handy feature is child lock. Press both temperature buttons together to lock or unlock the remote. This is useful if kids keep changing settings, or if your remote keeps mysteriously disappearing. Using a wall holder can also help keep it in one place. Some models include a sleep curve or custom sleep mode. Press the sleep button once for normal sleep mode. Press it again to cycle through advanced sleep modes. You can customize temperature changes during the night for better comfort. Press the turbo button to enter Sleep Mode 3 setup. You can also change the temperature unit from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Turn off the AC, then press the mode and temperature down buttons together. Another useful feature is the temp button. Press it once to see the set temperature, twice for indoor temperature, and 3 times for outdoor temperature. Keep in mind, outdoor temperature is not available in all models. Not all remotes include every feature. The exact functions depend on your AC model, but most Gree remotes share many of these options. If you want detailed step-by-step guides for features like timer or Wi-Fi setup, check out our other videos on the channel. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AC tips, error fixes, and energy-saving guides.